You have a ton of yarn and you don't know what to do with it, and your dog finds it very interesting, I recommend a scrap basket. If you have a lot of scrap yarn and you don't know what to do with it, good contenders would be weights of yarn you don't typically use anymore, quantities of yarn you don't have a use for, yarns you find ugly or unpleasant to the touch. A great solution is a scrap yarn basket. So I have made scrappy baskets before, but this time I want to make a particularly large one and use up some bulky yarn that I typically don't use. I think this will be a project basket or just a pretty storage basket for my studio. The yarns I'll be using, I have some of these thick yarns that are quite bulky acrylic, not really colors that I resonate with as much anymore, and they are salvaged from old childhood projects. I also have this cloud cake that I got secondhand, and then just the color isn't quite what I imagined. It is very soft, but I don't love the way the white shows through the other colors of the yarn, so it's not really something I'd wear. I have some reclaimed acrylic that's worsted, and it's just not, doesn't have a lovely feel to it. And then I have leftovers, just has a bit of like paint staining on it. You can see that. I got it secondhand. This is an extremely scratchy yarn that I thrifted, the remnants of it. And this baggie I got secondhand. It's bagged because I had it in the freezer. But yeah, it's some Red Heart acrylic, which isn't the loveliest texture, and a mystery little bonus skein there. So yeah, this will be going into my scrap project as well. In terms of steps for my project, I will be starting out with a flat circle for the base. I will make increases to get the circle larger, just in a continuous spiral. And then I'll build up the sides by crocheting in the round, and then finally I'll add some handles. And that'll be that. So we are back with the finished scrap basket. Here she is in all of her beautiful glory. She doesn't have the most structure, but I kind of like that I can easily collapse the basket like this. I was thinking if I want her to have more structure in the future, I will add some wire. I really love this bit, this neon-y bit. Got some good weight to it as well. I mostly used one bulky or super bulky fiber paired with 2 to 3 DK or worsted weight yarns, but towards the end I used like I think 5 worsted / DK weight yarns to achieve the same look when I ran out of the bulky yarn. She's here and she's ready to hold projects. You going in or out?